Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be vlogging. I haven't done this in a little minute, but I'm really wanting to. I'm really wanting to start like trying to upload at least one vlog a week, something. I don't know yet. But anyways, Dee's asleep and I'm like in the den, so he really can't hear me out here. But he is still asleep. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. I've been up for like an hour and a half looking at some video ideas and just kind of, you know, figuring some stuff out. Got me some coffee here, and basically today, or all day yesterday, we were trying to do some outside work, and I really want to continue that. It was supposed to rain really, really bad, and we painted our porch. And so I have been praying off this rain, and so far it has held off, so I don't know if it's gonna drop down today or what it's gonna do. We really need to finish, but it's looking so much better. If I can ever get out there and show you, my camera kept fogging up early this morning. I was wanting to go out there and show you then, but it kept fogging up, so maybe about midday I can go out there and show you what it's currently looking like, and then show you a before picture because it was raunchy. And let's see, I'm wanting to finish that today, and then also I have been doing some organizing in the house, like closets and the kitchen and just different things getting organized. But in the process of doing that and then doing outside work, it's kind of gotten a little messy again, so I guess it'll be like a little clean with me vlog. I don't even know, so we'll just see how today goes. I'm going to be vlogging it, so yep. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm gonna get ready real quick. Dee's still asleep in the room beside me, so I'm gonna be quiet and do like just some music.
I set out on a road that I built with my own two hands. I met friends on the way, people chosen to make a stand. I felt strong in the sun as I walked onto pastures green. Saw forgiveness together, spaces in between. And I'll be with you through the night. And I'll turn every wrong.
But in the meantime of him waking up and stuff, I'm gonna pick up the kitchen because it is looking mighty bad. And my shirt is like extremely wrinkled, but that's okay. Okay, we are getting this done. We've got a pumpkin growing, ignore that. Let's see. So I don't know if you can see the porch here, the color. Let me get everything adjusted properly. So it's like a gray. You can't really tell on camera. And then we're doing the rest of this part white down here.
I'm sweating.
Looking good.
It's hot.
Looking good. Let me show you from the front. So this is what it currently looks like, and we are going to paint these boards white, this white, and then yeah, the top is gray. Got a lot to do, but we're getting it done. It's like death hot, and I'm trying to record this real quick before my battery dies. It is now 11 o'clock, and we need to finish before the sun gets on like the other side of the house because it's extremely hot outside, and we're dying. And I've only been out there for just a little bit pulling weeds, but we don't have another paintbrush for me to help him. So I'm going to get one, and I also have to get some dog food. And I'm so excited. I don't think I can show you real quick. But anyways, my phone just now came on after 3 days of being dead, so I'm getting a whole lot of messages if you can hear them. Oh my god. Look at it from the road. See? Oh my gosh, it's gonna look so good. That is gonna look so good. I am one of those people that if I'm like in my car and I'm driving somewhere, and like either nobody's letting me out, or I can't get out and go the way that I want to go, I can't turn where I want to go because there's too much traffic, I will literally like just go where I can, and then I'll probably drive like 3 miles and then turn around and go where I needed to go, instead of sitting there and like holding up traffic. Like, that makes me so uncomfortable, and I can't do it. Like, just a second ago I was trying to pull out, and it's this place where you can't turn left, and it's stupid that you can't turn left. But anyways, it made me uncomfortable because I was like trying to get out, and this lady was like nice enough to let me out, but I needed to go across. And so instead of just like scooting out, and then when the opportunity came available for me to go on across, I just sat in that lane and then proceeded to go straight and then go down the road through downtown Hartselle and then turn around because I got so nervous. Oh my gosh. So anyways, I'm going to Walmart now. It is a scorcher today. It is so hot. It is like 1:30 now, and we are nowhere near finished with the porch. We got a lot of it done, but there's just like, it's so tedious. Like, there's so many things that just have to be painted, and here and here, and it's just ridiculous. So anyways, we're not done with that, but we'll probably hit it up later tonight when it's cooled off. But right now I just came in to make us some lunch. We're going to a surprise birthday party tonight, so I figured we could eat good there. I'm just making, these things are so good. It's the Wawa, the little 3 cheese chicken things, and I have a lot of them. They have like fajita stuff, and like, they're just really good. There's not very many calories in it, and me and Dee split it, so $3. We split a meal. I'm okay with that. There's the cooking. This is what it's looking like. It's shiny, but that's cool. That's cool. We got some dead bugs and there's leaves and stuff. But yep, we gotta finish this next. A lot to be done. A lot to be done.
Are you vlogging or?
Yeah, I'm just looking at you because you're so handsome. He's out here finishing the inside. Looking great, and we're brought the TV out here and watching Thor. So I am in the bed. I'm extremely tired, and it's like 11 something. D is still working on the porch out there. He is my hard-working man. I'm laying in the bed. We're about to put on, I just brought the TV back inside from watching Thor, and we're gonna watch the next Harry Potter. And yeah, probably gonna fall asleep to it, but I'm so tired I can't even think straight. So I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I will see you next time, I think. Let me know if you want to see more recurring vlogs of me just doing normal things. Alright, bye.